ProDentim is the newest breakthrough natural formula that will make a revolution in the health of your teeth and gums, besides totally changing your oral microbiome by repopulating the mouth with good bacteria while helping people to get rid of traditional toothpaste and mouthwash. ProDentim is a dental product that comes up with the idea of the health of your mouth being transformed by 5 nutrients between plants and minerals that can support good bacteria, maintaining tooth whiteness, supporting tooth health and fresh breath. ProDentim is a 100% natural dental health supplement, free of toxic ingredients that traditional products bring to your mouth, easy to do the treatment, non-GMO and no stimulants of any kind. ProDentim works through the contrary idea that the reason why there is disorder in the mouth health is by the presence of bad bacteria developing in the mouth, while the real reason why ProDentim works is precisely the natural formula that contributes to oral health through the high population of good bacteria that helps anyone get rid of dental products, such as toothpaste and oral rinses that actually contains toxic ingredients that affect poor health and development of teeth and gums. ProDentim is a formula composed of 5 ingredients proven through scientific research that have a total of 3.5 billion good bacteria in the form of a single dissolvable candy. ProDentim is like a probiotic candy that supports the body from allergies, promotes a deep and good sleep and healthy digestion.